Okay, I've been leaving this Ghost Bond on for about 10 minutes now, but I've really got to leave, but I can't walk out the door when I look like this. Okay, so I'm just going to put some spray leave-in conditioner. I'm going to hold this edge so it doesn't fall off. It seems to be having some bit more holding power, still very white around the front here. Hopefully that will go away. I'm not quite certain if this stuff has been designed for poly, but it feels like it's stronger now. This is a Ghost Bond XL that I've got on with a 0.03mm poly thin skin. And it feels like it's got a bit more hold now, so I'll see if it's a matter of time with this particular glue. It could be very much time related with white glues. I haven't really had the patience for them, but really it could have been. I was never that patient, although I did wait with this stuff for a very long time, and then when I had a shower a day later, it still just came straight off. I'm just trying to find some hair product that doesn't require me to touch my hair too much. I guess I could put in some kind of muck and then really wet it a lot so that I'm very light at the fingertips. Because the thing is, I really do have to find a solution before summer comes for the shine if I'm going to wear lace, because I'm not quite sure if poly's going to be okay in the summertime with the heat. And glue, I certainly don't want that to shine through. If this stuff does shine through, if it doesn't shine through, then it could be the answer. But I don't think using my fingertips is the right way to apply it. Put the lid back on the muck. It doesn't feel like it's just about to slide off right now. That's good. Now my hope is that white glue doesn't care about heat and it doesn't melt off. Let's hope it doesn't melt. Like this melts. I'm guessing 25 degrees. A normal kind of summer day inside. Well, not inside, outside, it'll melt. But if you're sweating at all, it'll just come off. Not come off, it'll just melt, and then if you're wearing lace, then the hairs will fall into it and get stuck and make a huge mess, and you'll have to throw the hairpiece out. I'm hoping that doesn't happen with this stuff. Could be the answer. I've been a bit impatient so far, but I've got to run out the door. This stuff seemed to really not work at all. Maybe I was impatient with it, and it really doesn't like water even after that, and at 24 hours it didn't like water. So let's see how this hairpiece goes. I'll wear this, I'll try it. I'll review it better in a day or two. I really hope it works. And I hope I did apply it properly in the previous video. You saw that happen, didn't you? I've started numbering my videos so people are going to go, what are you talking about? It's like, well, I'm talking about what I was just talking about in the previous video. So let's hope this holds on.